Hello guys and welcome back.
Hello guys, welcome back.
Winter is here.
It definitely is.
It's snowing.
Fortunately it is.
And it's not warm. So today we're gonna have a look. Bladeless heater from SilverCrest that is very beautiful.
Yeah.
So let's go to the unboxing.
Let's go.
So we're looking at the fan heater from SilverCrest. We have some beautiful functions on this device.
Yes, we do. We have 5 different colors.
5 different colors.
Yeah.
Many functions. A remote control. It's only 1200 watts. It's perfect for small rooms and it's beautiful. Let's open it up.
Yeah, let's go.
They have a bigger model, taller model,
Yeah.
but we decided to have
The small one. So here we have the remote control.
yeah, you see it has temperature, it has fan speed, up and down heat. We will see if you can use it in the summer too. Let's see, let's continue.
Logically you would, because the temperatures are from 5 degrees to 35, so you can use it as a fan in the summer and you can use it in the cold winter for heating.
Yep.
We have our device. Whoops!
That was the ceiling.
That was the ceiling, yes.
We have our user manual, nothing else inside the box.
Nothing else in the box.
You see here on the
Manual
that there is 2 options for colors. What I found was only the anthracite color.
Yeah, I am continuing with the unboxing. If I can get my hands around it. Oh. It has to lie down for a while. There it is. Here we go. And this is our device.
As you see, as I try to turn it, it looks like it turns left and right.
Yes, it does. It makes the cycle just to warm up evenly.
Looks like we have like touch buttons.
Yeah, just like, oh, this is satisfying.
Yeah, so the remote control now is activated.
Yes.
So let's power the device on.
Yes, let's go and power it on.
So you have almost 2 meters of wire.
Yeah, we do.
So it's a good solution. It looks very nice, a very futuristic style. You see these holes here. This is where the heat comes out. I don't know if you are familiar with another brand, which we're not gonna name, that they use the fanless system. It's the same principle.
Yep.
Let's power it on.
Yeah, let's go and power it on.
Surprise, it's Christmas.
Yeah, it's nearly Christmas, so I've obviously started to decorate a bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Guilty.
Let's see the device powering on. So we saw something on the screen.
Let me come that side.
It's like a cycle. I don't know what does that mean. So
Zoe has powered it on.
Power it on. So I believe the number 3 means the speed of the fan.
Yes, it is. Let's bump up heat. Now it's on 13 degrees. I think we want it a bit higher than that. Oh, wait a minute. 4, 5. Let's put it on 6.
I believe if you press this,
oh yeah, sorry.
you can change the temperature. If you press the middle here, You can change the temperature of the air, and I believe this is the 2 stages.
It says it's 12 degrees in here at the moment.
Yeah, we prepared the house.
We left this room to cool down. I can definitely feel a lot of heat coming out. A lot of heat.
So you go up to 10.
That's the highest speed you can have.
And when it's getting red, it means that it goes to the heating function. And I believe, let's see. So you have 10 settings for heat, is it? As you see, guys, I'm just touching in its touch button, if you want to say.
And here it goes.
And of course it turns. Very smooth turning action. It doesn't look weird. The noise it does in high speed is not...
It's not the... Oh, let's just stop it here. That feels nice. Oh no, come back.
And we're gonna make your day brighter because it's close to Christmas. Have a look at what happens under it. You can change colors.
I think I'm going to leave it on that. It actually shows on camera it's kind of like an orange color. It's red.
Yeah, but I believe it has quite a variation of colors.
That's purple. That's orange. And that's off.
Yep, and you can change the luminosity at night if you want.
Yeah, you can see I'm turning it down at the moment. That's back on high.
Yep. And of course you have the timer up to 9 hours, it says. So every time you press it, I believe it's talking about 15 minutes.
I would think it is. Oh.
So if you keep pressing, it goes to 30, 45, 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. That cancels the timer. It feels quite warm.
It does.
Of course, you can get the taller version, which is 2 kilowatts, maybe for bigger rooms. But for smaller rooms, I believe it's gonna do the job. And of course, it's futuristic, very nice. No blades to harm your...
Yeah, you can't accidentally injure yourself, absolutely.
And this is eco mode. So it doesn't burn a lot of electricity running.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring the system that measures the wattage and we will see the consumption right now.
Yeah.
So let's go to that. Guys, let's see together what is the consumption of this device. What is the real consumption of the device? Okay, we are on the right setting. You see it does nothing right now. The device is off. So let's put it on power on. Don't put it on heat yet.
I have not. It's on the setting 3.
So you see, if you use it just as a fan, it only consumes 5 watts, but that doesn't emit any heat.
No, it doesn't. It's just circulating the air at the minute.
Okay, can you put the fan on the max?
Can do.
Okay, on the maximum speed, it consumes only 15 watts. So in the summer, you can use it as
absolutely, yes.
a fan,
yeah.
you know. So let's see now on the heating. Let's put it on the heating. So I see that it says here, of course you have to wait for the coils to warm up and the consumption is gonna fall. But for now, we are rising slowly to 1 kilowatt. So 1.2, as it says on the instructions that it is. That consumption is gonna fall, as you're gonna see, as the coils are warming up, is gonna fall. We are on 1.3, 1.4. So do we have any more settings on the heat? Is it changing anything if you press it again?
I've put it on max.
Okay, that's on the maximum fan speed.
Nah, not fan, heat.
Okay. So you see it's 1.2 kilowatts or 1288.
Yeah, what
watts.
it actually says on the thing.
Okay, let's see what it does. I don't know if you want to put it on the echo and
Yes.
see.
I am running it on echo.
Let's see if it changes anything. No, I don't see any difference on the power consumption.
I can feel a difference in the airflow. It's gone a bit lower than it was. but
Okay, can you remove the echo and see if it changes anything?
It's not on full power at the moment again.
Okay, so basically the echo put the fan on a lower speed, as
Yes,
I
it does.
understand it. So as you see, it's not bad. 1280 watts is not bad to heat up a small room.
Should we see if it uses more power if we actually put it to turn around and turn the lights on?
Yes, let's do that.
I've done both.
So it adds only, say, 10 watts to do it. Obviously it has a small motor that moves the device around.
So it doesn't make a difference if you actually have the
Echo mode,
echo.
yes.
Yeah.
It has to deal with fan speed. And of course, the last thing is you can set the thermostat, because it has a frost protection. If it detects that the temperature it's lower than 5 degrees, obviously we're not going to put it outside.
Absolutely not. I'm not going outside. And it won't. Actually, I think it will start first go because it's under 5 degrees out there.
Yes.
So. But I'm not taking that out.
So you see that it stays on the 1283 right now. Let me show you the device. Okay. So we don't have a screen that says something now.
No, it goes off if you. I just pressed a button and it goes back on.
And you see that the devices already say that it went 1 degree up.
Yes,
it was
it has.
12. Now it's 13. And you can see that you can control with
Yeah,
the
I'm
remote.
controlling it at the minute. Dee likes it because I'm upset.
As you see here, yes, it's a very protected device for small kids and stuff like that, but it says don't use it to dry your clothes.
No, I don't.
But if you want to dry your clothes, you can use the ometer
Yes.
and dry your clothes. You can see the video.
We'll put a link in the description for it.
And you can see the video and see what we're talking about, because we have solutions for you guys. But I believe we managed to see enough of this device. So let's go to the conclusion, except you want to do the conclusion now.
Yeah, we want to do it now. I would think it's a great idea. It's quite strong for its size. I like the feature that you can actually use it as a fan in the summer as a heating in the winter. Very good idea about the timer, because you can use it like at night and set it to like literally turn off after a while. Lovely modern style. I shall take it with me, thank you very much. This is see, and this is on low.
Yeah.
I didn't think about that. Here's how you test it. That's on number 3.
So it has up the base of the device. It's at the sleep, so it's not gonna go all over the place.
Oh yeah, it doesn't slip. But we can check something else.
But we can see that we have all the options for heating and cooling as much as you can with a device on this size. The temperatures are very handy because you can put the thermostat and keep your bills down. You can use this device as an addition basically to a room where a baby is, so you can keep the temperature in a good level.
Yeah.
We have the lights, the beautiful lights that you can have in the room to make it more nicely and cozy. You can put it on slower speeds of the fan. Of course, the device, when it's on heat, is not going to allow you to too slow, but it's going to go slow enough so you can sleep at night with the device. It's going to still emit heat.
It's not noisy. It's not noisy. You can easily sleep with all like this working easily. And I'm picky sleeper, like if something's like...
Yeah. So the last thing that Zoe wanted to show, and we can test if it does work, is...
It fell.
So if the device, for some reason, sorry for my shoes, if the device, for some reason, fall down because someone knock it down,
Yeah.
it has a protection feature.
It cuts off. It completely
So it's gonna shut down.
Yeah, it completely cuts off. And you just...
And it has a message in the front.
It's...
And now what it does is it's cooling down the coils inside because it fall down. It thinks that it fall down. This is the Bladeless Heater from SilverCrest, 1200 watts.
Yeah.
You can get the 2 kilowatt device, but we bought for you the 1.2.
The small one, yeah.
It has 1.8 meters wire. Very efficient, they say. We saw that the eco mode didn't really change how much it consumes. It just changed the speed of the fan. So I don't know what's the purpose of it, never mind.
Maybe a long time, if you run it, maybe it does make a difference, but like if you have it for a few hours and it's already like warmed up the room, maybe it lowers down. But
yeah, you will see. But we wanted to show you that the device, it's burning only that amount of power. People are interested to see what is the real consumption, not what the paper says. So this is a video from me, Mr. D.
And Zoe.
We unboxing things for you guys to enjoy and buy if you like. They have this device in LIDL this moment.
Yeah, they do.
So you can get it tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Stay warm and safe on the roads.
Yes, please do, because now it's...
Always remember to fill up your tank, because you never know where you're gonna stuck. So be careful. And thank you for joining our channel, and enjoy a nice morning. And see you in the next video.
See you in the next one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.